Hey there, it's Megan from Torrance Learning, and I've been using the Delta assessments for about 6 months now, and I've got 2 assessments running. They've been really very powerful for my workshops as well as my keynote presentations. And I use the assessments to gather a group's sentiment, but then each person gets their own personal results, and they really, really like that. And so we have this shared experience as well as a personalized experience all at the same time. I even had 3 women in one group all take the assessment. They're all from the same organization, and then they got up and they ran to each other and they shared what score they had gotten on the assessment, and they all about matched, right? Which would make sense. And they were very excited to see that they had all felt the same way about their organization, and that was going to be a catalyst for change for them. I had another group that said, well, Megan, how do we measure the effects of implementing this project management approach on our work? And we talked about a number of things that were going to be out in their environment, right? Objective measures, but then also redoing the Delta assessment starting now before they start their journey, and then in 3 or 6 or 9 months to look at how does the individual team member's perception of their rollout affect the work that they're doing.